Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial presentation. Today I'll be creating visualizations in Tableau using data on homelessness population for the year 2009 through 2012 for the city of New York from dataworld.com, titled The Directory of Homeless Population by Year. So right now you're looking at the dashboard of the final product of all the visualizations that I was able to create in Tableau. So I started for the data, I started from Makeover Monday, the website that were given in our course. Then from there, I was able to find the data set of the homeless population by year in New York City. After that, I was able to click on download. So after I downloaded the document comes in CVS format. After I downloaded the document, I was able to save it as an Excel document. So this is the document right here saved there. So going back to Tableau with sheet 1, this is the sheet that I was able to do of the total estimated number of homeless in the city of New York. So I'll start from, I'll show you using another sheet how I arrived here at this visualization of the packed bubbles. So I've never used packed bubbles before, but I chose to use it because of the information that I had. So the data set that I was able to bring from Excel into Tableau extract this is what the data that I was able to bring. So it had the year, area, homelessness estimates, records, and then number of records, and number of records, and then the area, the year of the okay, yes. So from the dimensions and the measures, we can see that the data that was extracted, it has the area, the year, and then homeless estimates, and then the number of records and the measure names. So this is the first visualization that I was able to create using packed bubbles. So from here, okay, I'll start over. Okay, this is sheet 4. Okay, I'll remove everything to start over. Okay, so from sheet 4, I started with the area. I brought it to the column section. The year as well, I brought it to the column section. Then for the rows, I brought the homeless estimates. Then from here, this is the product that I have right now, but I decided to use packed bubbles. So there is the packed bubbles that I was able to use. Then for the homeless estimates, I brought it under filter because I wanted it to show the sum of the estimates. So that's from 86 to 30. So apply. And then, sorry, I have to remove that. I wanted to show in labels. So homeless estimates, I added there so that we can show the number of estimated homeless population for every year. So as we can see from the packed bubbles, we can see that the pink color is for the total unsheltered individuals because we have unsheltered individuals, then the total surface area, which is the whole surface area of New York. Then we have Manhattan. Then we have the subway blue. Then we have the Bronx. Then we have Queens. Then we have Staten Island. So this is everything. All the number the areas of the where there's homeless homeless estimates were taken from. So if we go back after I created this, and we go back to sheet 1, we'll be able to see. So this is where I arrived. I was able to show the surface area here. Let's just minimize that. So this is the visualization. In the filter, I had the number of records as well. So I added the number of records to the to filter to show the number of recorded homeless. So that number there is showing the total unsheltered individuals. So now this is talking about the whole New York City. The total number of unsheltered individuals is 2012. For the year 2012 is 3,262. So all the bubbles that are color pink, they are showing for the total unsheltered individuals for the year 2009, 2012, 2011, and 2010. 2010 and 2011. It's the same way it goes with the subway, and then the surface total area, and then Manhattan. As we can see, Manhattan is in the lighter blue, and then the Staten Island, Bronx, and finally Brooklyn. So from here, from this total estimated number of homeless in the city of New York. So if we go back to chart 4, I was able to click here and give the visualization a title, which is estimated number of homeless in the city of New York. And then you click OK to name the visualization. So from here, I moved on to chart 2, or from here, I was able to, I clicked on chart 1 and duplicate. Instead of starting over, I was able to duplicate, and this is how I arrived at the graph. So for this one, for this graph, I did a comparison of total for the year 2010 and 2012 for all 5 boroughs of New York City, inclusive of the subway. So what I did is I clicked on filter for the area. I clicked on area, then I did the filter, and I was able to remove the surface and the total unsheltered area, because what I wanted to see was to show was the 5 boroughs and the subway. And then for the year as well, I went to year, clicked on that, and then I was able to filter. I wanted to compare 2010 to 2012. And as we can see, the numbers in 2012 they increased. For the subway in 2010, it was 1,077. For the subway in 2012, it increased to 1,634. And still Manhattan, the city of Manhattan, still remained with the largest number of homeless estimates at 1,145. And in 2012, the number did reduce to 906. But when we look at the other boroughs, which is Queens, Brooklyn, Bronx, and Staten Island, the numbers were way lower than Manhattan and the subway. Well, it could be that in Manhattan, because of the subway, that's why the numbers are very high. So from here now, I went to sheet 3. From sheet 3, I was able to create a visualization of a Gantt chart. So for the Gantt chart, this is what I did. I wanted to have a total of all the years. Yes, for the Gantt chart. Okay, for the Gantt chart, I labeled it combined number of homeless estimate for the years from 2009 and 2012. So for the year, I filtered measures, and then I clicked on count because I wanted to combine the totals for all the 4 years, and this is what I ended up with. The 4 years. 4 years, there was 11,000, as you can see labeled there. Then for the dashboard, I was able to drag and bring the sheets that I did, and this is the end result of all the visualizations that I did. Click there. So the Gantt chart, the side-by-side bar chart, and then the total, the packed bubbles. Thank you for watching.